Samsung is continuing its trend of making high-end looking mid-tier devices with its A series. This is the A8 and the A8 Plus. You'll notice that in terms of design, they look strikingly similar to Samsung's flagship phones like the S8 and the Note 8, with the same glass back and metal framing. They also have what Samsung calls the Infinity display, even though they're not quite as edge-to-edge as the Note 8 and the S8. It's HD Plus Super AMOLED screen, which is slightly bigger than the previous A series. This one is 6 inches and the regular A is 5.6. They also have the incremental changes you'd expect from the next in the series, like a better processor and better battery life, even though the A8 Plus will have the bigger battery. But the main focus for improvement has been the camera, and I'm not talking about the rear camera. What I'm talking about is the front-facing camera. Now, these phones are designed with younger consumers in mind who perhaps are more interested in selfies. It has a dual front camera, 16 and 8 megapixels, similar to what we saw on the Note, but the Note had it on the rear. You can achieve the same live focus effect that we saw on the Note 8, which uses the two cameras to create that blurred background effect. And it's equipped with Bixby Assistant. Unfortunately, the A series does not launch in the US, but it will be launching in other markets starting in January. The A8 will cost roughly €499, while the A8 Plus will cost around €579.